Well, good morning, pot pickers. How are we? Switch my heated grips off. It is a very cold, rather icy Wednesday in the year of our Lord 2018, and I am out on the... Look, I'm not joking. That's what we're dealing with today, people. They're the kind of conditions we're dealing with, and here's the Africa Twin. I cleaned it up, and then now it's dirty again. God damn it. So it's round 2 of Dronesville, and if you watch round 1 you'll know that it didn't go very well, but I am nothing if not a sticker at these things, and I am determined to try and get some good shots out of this. I'm not spending all that money just to give up. Okay, so more and more what I'm going to try and do with the vids is try and work on getting the best out of this drone, really. And I wanted to say thank you to everyone for all the brilliant advice. I've had so much advice I can't remember it all, but I'll try and take on board as much as I can. So all we're going to do, I think I've chosen this spot, nice and wide open. I don't know about the backdrop, I don't know how great it's going to be, but I think it'll look pretty good. It's a lovely day, lovely blue sky, it's just a bit chilly. So I'm just going to go and set up camp there, get the drone out, and I'll get Mr. Sparky to speak to you. Alright, see you soon, people. Okay, so, yeah, alright. What we're going to do, and what we're going to try, okay, is I'm going to try a track, active track, but this time I'm going to try and get into what's called the profile mode, and I didn't know about profile mode before, so I'm going to try profile mode. So we're going to right, okay, a lot of things to think about. Let's go into, let's take off. First of all, let's just, oh god, it's all over the place here. What are you doing, mate? Is this to do with 3G being on? It's being alright, pig. Look at it. Meanwhile, I'm using all my battery. What's going on? Why is it doing that? Yeah, so I've got into airplane mode, it's fine. Right, so we're going to try... Oh, I haven't got the bike in. Right, I'm going to leave the drone there. I think I can do that, can't I? Can I leave it there? I'll see you in a bit. Just stay there, mate. Right, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to get on the bike. Oh, bloody hell. Proper ball ache, innit? Is he alright? Proper ball ache. Right. God, my hands are freezing as well. Oh, shit. Fuck. Why has that happened? It's on the fucking floor over there. Oh my god. Christ. I thought it would just hover where it was. Oh, that's handy, look at that. What are you doing, mate? Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. In a right state. Why do you not do as you're fucking told? Stay where you are. All I could hear was this crash of the branches as the drone... God, things don't get easier, do they? Propellers look alright, but it's looking in a bit of a state. Oh, God. Right, I'm going to give it a clean. I'm not sure about this drone lock. Right, round 2, we're just giving it a bit of a... It's probably on like half battery now. All I've done is crash it. Jesus. I just want some good shots, Sparky. Please help me out. Right, I've got to get the controller to find it again. What a rigmarole. There's a good word for this. No, it's found it. Well, that's good news. Right, we're going to try this active track. I don't know. I've got that much battery left. Profile mode. I think it's in profile mode. So we're going to try now. I think it's in profile mode. We're going to press record. Right, press recorder in profile mode. 3, 2, 1. Right, it should follow me. It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Bloody sticks are moving. Can I get you to not... Where are you going? Where are you going? Jesus Christ. And I'm looking right in the bloody sun again. Just go back. Right. I'm struggling with this. Struggling to get this in here without things happening or changing. Where's it going? Come back. Fuck's sake. I need a bigger tank bag. Yeah, it's getting stuck. Didn't do this last time. Right, quick one. Okay. Seems to be... Let's see if we can get... Has it got me? No, no, has it? Ooh. Where is it? Is it behind me? Has it got me? Why are you going over there? This is mental. This is it's nowhere. Right, I give up. I give up. This is shite. Last time I was in quite a like, oh, this is funny, because I'd had a bit of a fly with it and things were looking alright. This time I've just gone for active track straight away, and it's shit. I just can't. I don't know if it's to do with this tank bag and where I need to put things, but I just can't put this in there without it maybe touching the controllers or something. But it's just not having it. It's just not working out. I don't know what to do. Right, I'll try a couple of other things. I'll try a couple of hover shots, but even then I'm thinking, is it going to stay? Is it actually going to stay where I want it to stay? It just seems to have a mind of its own. It's like some people's, it's like some bloody teenager. Piss off, mate, I'm not doing what you want. Piss off, Dad. Jesus, you little bastard. I mean, I'm glad you crashed into a tree, you didn't break your propellers and that, but the other thing is, with this sun, this winter sun, it's absolutely blinding. You can't see a bloody thing. And with a helmet on, which just exacerbates. I wish I'd never bought a drone. Ah! Right, let's see if I can... Oh, God. Right, it's still there. Okay, things are tickety-boo. He's alright. Let's see if I can get him to turn to face me. Hello. So it should be ready to do a profile shot. Now, what I should do, and I'm sure a lot of you are saying it to me as you're watching this video, is, let's just see if it... Are you coming with me, mate? You coming with me? Yeah? You coming? Alright. Can you keep up? Come on then. Trouble is, he's right in the sun. So I'm trying to look for him, being blinded every time. Trying to concentrate on the fact there's an icy puddle there. Right. Are you coming? Yeah, okay, he's still there. Right, let's try for a... Oh, minute. He's still there. Alright, let's try for a good looking shot. Yeah, he's still got me. Still got me, still got me. Come on, Tiger. Follow me all the way down, that's it. Stick some music over this, Crumble! Yep, he's still there, he's not fucking heading for the trees. It's not quite a profile shot though, I would suggest. Right, where's he going now then? Where is he? There he is. Alright, mate. Yes, thank you. Let's get that one. Okay, right, let's see how this goes. Stay there, don't go anywhere, you little shit. Alright, this should be a bit easier because I'm not having to look at the sun and it's right in front of me. So let's see how this goes. Come on then, mate. Come on. come on. Yeah, you're gonna have to be fast on that. Yep, okay. Right, let's look a bit cool. Visor down, up on the bars. Speed up a bit. Come on, you still got me. No obstacles. This should be a good shot. Looking good. How you doing, mate? Oh, look at him. He looks great flying through the air. He's getting a bit low. I don't know why he's that low. That's it. Get in front of me. Yeah, that's it. Keep. Ooh, you know, icy puddles. Oh, tree. Stop now. Stop. Stop. Stop, mate. And that's it. Yay! Alright, Tiger. No, let's get rid of that. Come back to Popper. That's it. Come back to Popper. Okay. Me fork. Me little fork. Well, a quick interlude, people. It's not just about the drone. I'm boiling some water to have some noodles on a top box, and why not? So I'm a slight bit hungry. Rather than just nipping to a shop and buying something, I thought I'd go to the absolute hassle of bringing my lunch with me. And so I'm boiling some water for my noodles. Gonna have a nice little pot of tea. Wonderful. This is adventure motorcycling. I've got my own chair that when I sit on it sinks into the ground. That's great too. Lovely. But it's lovely. It's a Wednesday. I'm off work. And great to be out in the open air. And yeah, a bit stressful, the old droneage. I'll give it that. I think I think for now I quite like the shot where it's in front of me and I can see what it's doing. Because when it's out the back of me, I'm just, you know, you could quite easily crash the bike, couldn't you? I'm just watching the water. So a few more things to learn, but I'm just getting the feeling that on a motorcycle, it's just quite a lot of hassle, really. So if any motorcyclists among you have found a kind of way out of doing this, or found somewhere to put that remote controller, I think what I need is one of them little clamps that stops the sticks from moving. I think I'll get one of them so I can pop it in there without it moving, because that's one of the difficulties. It does sit in there, but yeah. So I suppose conclusions, I've got another battery, but whether I'll give it another go, I don't know. I'll see how I feel. But I will, what I'll do this time, I'll put whatever footage, like 30 seconds of footage I've got that's half decent, I'll put it on, I'll put it at the end of the vid with a bit of music, me playing the violin or something. Alright, pieces out, people. I'm going to fork off. See you later. Are you boiled yet, or what you? Can I have my noodles? I want my noodles.
Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to the hills. I'm blessed, oh man, with my two hands in the air as far as I can. Stare at the sun, I know it is a blessing, yeah. Lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm blessed, oh man. Ooh. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I'll find my